Student, today you are going to solve exercise 1.3 class 10 general maths. Question number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. In my last video, I proved that root 5 is irrational, and today we are going to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, first we will write here that solution. First I will write here solution. Now just after that we will start with the method of contradiction. Now let us assume to the contrary that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. First of all, we are taking that this is our assumption. Actually 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So next step would be that is we can find co-prime integers A and B. Student, in the bracket I am writing here B is not equal to 0. Why? Because if 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, so this can be written in the form P by Q or A by B. Here I have taken A and B are co-prime integers and B is not equal to 0, such that 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to A by B. Now in the next step, student, here 2 plus root 5 will keep in the left hand side and A by B, and take 3 on that side, become minus 3. Now if we go for the LCM, so 2 root 5 will be here and B is the LCM, then A minus 3B. Now if we go for the multiplication, so root 5 equal to A minus 3B by twice B, if 2 will go there. Now look, this can be split up after that. So root 5 equal to A by twice B minus 3B by twice B. In the next step, root 5 equal to A by twice B minus B and B cancel, so 3 by 2. Now look one thing. Initially we have taken that A, B are co-prime integers and B is not equal to 0. Moreover, 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. If it is rational, then this can be written in the form P by Q. Now look here, A by 2B is in the form P by Q format. 3 by 2 is also in the form P by Q format. So if A by 2B is rational, then AB are co-prime, and A by 2B is rational, then 3 by 2 is rational. So we can say that A by 2B minus 3 by 2 equal to root 5 is also rational. Now in the next step we will write here that since A and B are integer, A and B are integers, so A by twice B minus 3 by 2 is rational. And if A by 2B minus 3 by 2 is rational, if this part is rational, which means root 5 is also rational. Therefore root 5 is rational. Root 5 is also rational. But student, this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. In my last video I proved that root 5 is irrational. So if root 5 is rational according to this point of view, or according to our assumption, if root 5 is rational, which means a by 2b minus 3 by 2 is also rational. And we'll write here now that but this contradicts that root 5 is irrational. In my last video I proved that root 5 is irrational, and here also by the method of contradiction, initially we took that 3 plus root 5 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, and a b are co-prime integers and b is not equal to 0, and after that we proved that a by 2b is rational, 3 by 2 is also rational, which means a by 2b minus 3 by 2 is also rational. If this part is rational, which means root 5 is also rational, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational, and this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. So we'll write here that this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. Student, initially in the first line we took that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, and this is our assumption only. After that we find that co-prime integers a b and b is not equal to 0, and after that we prove that a by 2b minus 3 by 2 is rational. If this part is rational, which means root 5 is also rational, but this is the contradiction arisen because of our incorrect assumption. Hence we'll write the last line. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Hence proved. This is our proof of 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. I hope you understand this question. Now student, we are going to prove that question number 3 Roman 1 proved that 1 by root 2 is irrational. First question was root 5 is irrational. We already proved in my last video. In this video we proved that question number 2 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now 3 Roman 1 we are going to prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Now let's have a look how to prove this one. Student, before proving this one 1 by root 2 is irrational, I will write here that solution. And after that I will do one step. 1 by root 2 equal to 1 by root 2 into root 2 into root 2. I multiplied the 1 by root 2 with root 2, which means in the denominator root 2 is there. I multiply root 2 with the root 2, and in the numerator also. So answer would be root 2 by 2, which means root 2 into root 2 square root cancel 2. So after that I will write here half into root 2. This is our equation number 1. Student, you maybe know that this step is called the rationalizations. Already you have done in class 9 this step, rationalization. Now student, after this step I am going to start the proof. If possible let 1 by root 2 is rational. If possible, we are taking that 1 by root 2 is rational. Now after that, if 1 by root 2 is rational, this is our assumption, which means from equation number 1 we can say that from equation number 1 we can say that 1 by 2 into root 2 is rational. I repeat again, if 1 by root 2 is rational, and this is our assumption, that's why I write here, if possible let 1 by root 2 is rational. If this is 1 by root 2 is rational, which means from equation number 1 half into root 2 is also rational. If it is do so, then 2 therefore 2 is rational, 2 is rational, and half root 2 is also rational, is also rational. Now look here student, don't confuse, I have written this sentence one more time. Starting from the beginning, I am saying that if possible let 1 by root 2 is rational. So this is our assumption. Then from 1 half into root 2 is also rational, then 2 is also rational, then this part half into root 2 is rational. Now after that, after this step, we are going to multiply this value with 2 only. Now after that implies 2 into half root 2 is also rational. Now if I multiply this value with 2, because 2 is rational and this value is also rational, so product of two rational number is also rational. That's why this is one rational number, this is another rational number, so product of two rational number is also rational. That's why I have given here the multiplication symbol and I am doing the multiplication here. I will write the reason here. Reason, product of two rational number, product of two rational number is also rational, is also rational. Now look student, after that if 2 and 2 cancel, then root 2 is also rational, root 2 is also rational. But student, root 2 is irrational, we know that, and we write here this contradicts the fact, this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational, root 2 is irrational. If root 2 is irrational, then here I have written product of two rational number is rational. If root 2 is irrational, which means one irrational number and one rational number, which means product of one rational and one irrational is also irrational. So we can write here the next line from this line, since the contradiction arises by our incorrect assumption that 1 by root 2 is rational, 1 by root 2 is rational. Look here, initially we have taken that if possible let 1 by root 2 is rational, this is our assumption, and because of this assumption this contradiction arises. Now we have proved that root 2 is irrational. If root 2 is irrational, which means 1 by root 2 is also irrational, so we can say that therefore 1 by root 2 is irrational, hence proved. So student, this is the second proof in this video, and both the proof, one is 3 plus 2 root 5 and next one is 1 by root 2, both the proof we have done by the method of contradiction. I hope you understand. Thank you.